Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes CL550, the W216, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to properly remove the Plasti dip off your car. I've had the car dipped in gunmetal for about 6-7 months now, but now it's time to take it off and I'm going to go with something different. I'm probably going to end up wrapping the car, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to remove it. So please follow along with my experience on how to remove this Plasti dip. The removal doesn't take as long as dipping the car, but it did take me about an hour to completely take it off. The key to getting the Plasti dip off is to slowly and patiently lift it all up at once. If you're tearing it off into small pieces, then it's going to take a long while and it's very frustrating. But here it is, the paint is still in great condition, the clear coat and everything is still how it was the day I dipped the car. And now I'm going to give the car a wash. So if you guys want to customize your car without paying a leg and an arm for it, I think Plasti dip is the best way to go, much better than vinyl wrapping the car. It's much cheaper and you could do it yourself without messing up and getting creases as how you would do in the vinyl wrap. Please leave suggestions down below on what color I should go next on my CL550, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.